How to log in Poste Italiane account. Open any browser of your choice. Tap on the search bar. Type in this link secureLogin.poste.it/god-fcc-authentication. Search for it. Once you do that, you'll be led to the sign in interface. If you do not want to enter this link, you can simply tap on the search bar. Type in Poste Italiane account sign in. Search for it. You can see various links over here. Find the link provided by Poste Italiane itself. Tap on this particular link. Once you do that, you'll be led to the sign-in interface of Poste Italiane. You can see over here you'll be able to log in to your account. Enter the username. Once you do that, enter the password. Tap on the sign-in option that you can see on the screen. Go through the authentication process and you'll be logged in to your account. Like this, you can log in Poste Italiane account. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.